can supplements fully replace real foods? The answer, quite simply, is no. While supplements can indeed play a valuable role in providing certain nutrients, they are not a complete substitute for the complex nutritional matrix of real whole foods. Whole foods are rich reservoirs of a variety of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals. These components often work together in a complex dance, their interactions and synergies not fully understood. When we isolate them into supplements, we risk missing out on the full benefits they offer. Take fiber, for instance. Whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are essential sources of dietary fiber. This fiber plays a key role in maintaining digestive health, regulating blood sugar levels, and keeping weight in check. Unfortunately, many supplements lack the fiber found in whole foods. Moreover, the form of nutrients in whole foods is often more readily absorbed by the body compared to synthetic forms found in supplements. Some nutrients even require specific cofactors present in whole foods for optimal absorption. Real foods are also teeming with an array of phytochemicals and antioxidants. These compounds have been linked to a host of health benefits, including reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Regrettably, these compounds are often absent or present in limited amounts in supplements. And let's not forget the joy of eating. Whole foods provide a sense of fullness and satisfaction that supplements just can't match. Eating a variety of whole foods contributes to a more enjoyable and sustainable eating pattern. Finally, there's the concept of food synergy. The combination of different nutrients in whole foods may create synergistic effects that enhance their overall health benefits. This synergy is challenging to replicate with isolated nutrients in supplement form. In short, while supplements can be useful in addressing specific nutrient deficiencies or meeting increased nutritional needs in certain situations, they should ideally complement a well-balanced diet rich in whole foods. It's always wise to consult with healthcare professionals or registered dietitians before relying heavily on supplements. After all, excessive intake of certain nutrients can have adverse effects. At the end of the day, a varied and balanced diet remains the foundation for good health. So eat well and live well, my friends.